Well, good morning. I'm very excited this morning. I just got back from Aldi. I had to get there an extra half hour early for the special Nokia 2.2 phone. $119. Went on sale today. And I'm going to open it up and see what we've got. I needed a new phone. My old one, Google Pixel, crapped out on me. So as you can see, fairly basic packaging. Comes in plastic bag. Not very elegant, but there's the phone. Looks like your pretty standard black plastic back. Nice that the camera is flush with the back. It doesn't bump out. That's a plus. Other than that, fairly unremarkable. Takes a micro USB charging port and no visible speakers. What else do we get in our package? Not sure what this is. Ah, that's the battery. Also wrapped in plastic. Let's see what the capacity on the battery is. Well, they don't make it easy for you. Now, this is unusual that this is a replaceable battery. So unlike so many phones where you have to have it professionally replaced, this one it looks like might be possible to buy a replacement, and it's a it's a 2,920 milliamp hour battery. So hopefully that'll prove durable and hold a charge all day. We also get a pair of in-ear headphones and a charger. I'm not sure if this is a rapid charger or not, but we'll find out. Product and safety info. You know, the stuff no one ever reads. And the instructions for how to get started. There we go. This is an Android phone. Should be very similar to my Google Pixel in terms of operation. Not too excited about it. Or worried about it, I should say. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. Nothing up my sleeves. Hope you enjoyed this video.